Welcome to BigTable's Bakery ERP software demo. In this video, we are going to see how the restaurant owners, bakery, sweet shop can do the billing process easily. Now we are having a login. So I am using the login here for the billing purpose alone. Once you log in, it shows the dashboard details and the total orders, total sales that has been completed the particular date. Now, in this video, as we are going to see only the billing process, I'll show you how can we do for the restaurant separately, sweet shop and the bakery. Now let's start with the restaurant. So, generally in restaurants, we used to find the table management system with KOT app. Here we have listed out the tables available and these tables can be added using the table master. Now we have created multiple tables using this. For example, if a particular customer has occupied table number 1B, we can just click on this and it will show the list of categories available. So for example, you can choose any category and once it is done, it will show the subcategory of this particular item. Now, first thing is, for example, if the customer wants a burger, we click on burger, it will show the items available with the cost details. Now I click on another item, you can add it. Now, these items will be sent to the KOT, that is the kitchen. So when I click on print KOT, automatically it will be sent to the kitchen as a print. Now if we want to see how the print look like, I'll show you now. But before that, if the customer wants to add on some more items, so we can click on the same table, we can add on some other items. For example, juice. I've added 3 juices. If we want to add any changes in the quantity, we can modify this and you can click on the print KOT. So to see the kitchen, what is happening, we can go and see on the kitchen orders. This will be shown in the kitchen as a display item, like for bill number and type in. You can see the corn burger onion soup which has been first done. If it is completed, we can click on complete so that it will be notified to the server, that is the waiter, that is the product has been completed, it can be served the table. Same way, now we have the milkshake, Faluda, muskmelon which has been done, that is the KOT has been done. Now I have also complete this. Once it is done, again it will notify to the waiter's app so that waiter will get notification, he will receive from the kitchen and deliver to the place of the customer. Now let us see how the print look like. Now I have again proceeded to the previous page, that is the table list. I am clicking on 1B. It will show, if you want to see the total number of items ordered, here the option is total item. It will show the total items, like I have already ordered for corn burger, onion soup, milkshakes. So totally you can see how many items and what is the cost of that. If the customer is asking for settlement, you can either enter the mobile number or customer name for the customer database and you can click on settlement. Otherwise, you can skip this process and click just on settlement. Once it is done, then the other things can be completed, like the print. You can cross verify on the print of the final print or KOT print. I'll show you that on now. So on sales, you can see here. Now this is the particular amount 410. You can see there are 2 types of prints. When we click on KOT print, automatically the printer will get ejected with the prints. Now if you want to take another additional print, you can click and see the preview how it looks like. Now you can see here, this is the KOT item for total. At the same time, if you want to take a final print, so this is also available. So it will show you here what is the final print. Now we have done for the restaurant billing. So you have seen it's very simple for the table management with the Waiters app as well as a desktop based one. Now we have successfully completed how to use the restaurant billing POS in this bakery ERP software. Now let's see how it is working for the bakery. As you can see in the menu, the KOT sales and kitchen order is for the restaurant. Now this is the option called sales. When we click on here add new bill, you can see here either you can use the touch button. You just when you click on this, automatically the item added here, where if you want to make a modification on the quantity, you can either change and you can see the stock details updated here. For example, if you are not able to use the touch POS or button based or something like that, or mouse based, if you want to use only the keyboard, then here we have the option. So for example, if you can search for here the item like birthday cakes, eggless birthday cakes or anything like that, when you just click on that, automatically it will ask for the quantity. I enter the quantity one and it will show you the item is added here. So same way you can go for any item, any other items like so I have juice. For example, if I want to add grape juice through this particular search, I ask for the quantity, I enter that, it is getting added. So simplest way to add using the keyboard is also possible. Same time, if you want to use a touch POS, it's also possible. Otherwise, a mouse is also very much easier for a bakery based, that is shop, bakery shop. Okay, this is for the bakery shop. Now you can see here the options like the date, what type of sales, and what is type of a payment mode, what is the rate type. Even if your customers are ready to provide their mobile number and contact details, you can either add, otherwise you can just select the attendant name. And the next thing, you have all the options like tax detail, complete tax detail, hold a bill. For example, if a customer is searching for any change, so if you want to do bill for a next customer, you can hold this particular bill. Okay, you can hold this bill and you can start entering for the new customer. You can again retain the previous bill also. At the same time, you have specially a delivery address option. This is nothing but, for example, if the customer is ordering for a birthday cake and he is asking you to deliver at his place, so you can choose the delivery address option. You can enter all these details. If you want to see the tax details in a detailed view, if you click on this, it will show you a complete view about this. And if you want to give a discount, so once we complete this, save and print, automatically a print copy will be generated. You can see here how it looks for a bakery. So the same way, you can see here the items and split up details for the tax. Everything comes along with this. So we can see here. And so as per this, now we have completed seeing the bakery shop POS billing. Now let us move on for the next one, that is a sweet shop. Generally in sweet shop, it's very much different way we used to do the billing. Like for example, the particular quantity won't be same as a bakery or restaurant. It will be in digital formats at decimals. So now let's start with this. Now we have attendant code 100, for example. Now I click on halwa, any halwa item like milk halwa, like I want to test for 1.5 kg. Okay, I'm ordering for 1.5 kg. I click on tab, it enters. Then karam, like anything like that. What is available? Kaju sweets is available. So I click on that. I click on this, it shows on the rate. So Kaju sweet, I click for 0.500 grams. So it just, so you can see here it very much different in the way of quantity, because in sweet shop, as I told you earlier, it will be in a decimal format, sometimes in a quantity in the round format also, like 1, 2, like digit, without digits also. So once I complete this, it will show me on right hand the same way, the same thing, like say what kind of sales, whether they are come through directly or whether they have done online, something like that, what kind of payment mode they are ready to pay with, what is the GST and what is the mobile number of the customer. If the customer is not ready to make giving the option like mobile number or customer name, so you can just skip on the process. Otherwise you can add automatically, the customer database will be recorded in the system and you can use it for further follow-ups of any ordering or history, something like that. So promotional process is also possible. And again, if you want to provide the customer a discount, whether you want to provide a customer in a discount percentage or discount amount, if you choose on anything, you can do that. For example, as a customer, you want to give a discount of 5%, it's possible. Otherwise, you can just remove this one, and you can again go for discount amount. You can provide, for example, 190. The customer wants in a round format. So that is also possible. So, and the same time, there is a limitation we can set to the existing, the particular attender. For example, if you don't want to provide more discount option liberally, so that what happens is, see here, I can just provide only 50 rupees. So you can make the restriction such a way also. Round of details, everything provides you in a very much detailed way. So how much cash it received from them and how much balance you have to provide. For example, if they have given you 1200, so 62 rupees you have to give as a balance. Same way, you can provide, there is an option here for the hold bill as well as for delivery address option. So everything is same way, and you can just save and print. You can see the beautiful look of the print. You can see in a very detailed way how it looks. The product details, what is the quantity, the split up about the tax, everything is given a detailed way. Now, if you have an idea of seeing a free demo or trial with us, you can contact us like by calling the number 9123515998, and if it is a restaurant or bakery or sweet shop, everything is under control of Bakery ERP software to have a free demo. Contact us. Thank you.